Now I'm going to join the components together, and then I will insert the plywood panel. So first thing to do is up here, we've got our join feature. You just select where you're going to join it from. So ideally the dowel holes would be perfect. So let's zoom in and select that one and this one here. It brings it together nicely. We'll click OK. And we'll try this one. So, whoops. Join again onto that one. Then you can continue and do them all. If your dowel holes don't line up, which can be an issue, try going join and try the bottom corner. Whoops. If it's that bottom corner, it has to be this bottom corner here. And you don't need to do this top one because it's already constrained based on the outside of the frame. Now to do the panel on the inside, we want to add another piece. So we're going to go to the end panel here, and we're going to go create new component. You can see that's come up here, and we can call this one plywood. It's going to ask us where we want to start this panel, so I'm going to zoom in. I'm going to start this panel on this section here. So let's create sketch. I'm going to select this. So that's it from my vertical panel. From that point, I am going to finish the sketch. Whoops, sorry, I'm zooming in and out so much. I'm going to finish the sketch. I'm going to go extrude, and I'm going to start pulling this one out. I'm going to look at the other side, so flip it around. I'm going to change the extent to object. We need to have such a view where you can select that inside edge of that one. Once that's done, it's your panel's already drawn. It's all there for you. Because we use the to extent, if we change the size of the rails in either direction, this plywood panel will move with that. So we'll always get the right panel. When you make the panel in woodwork, you might want to make it 1 millimeter or 2 shorter on either side, because that way you have a little bit of space for the glue to sit. Last thing to do is to go back to this end panel and activate that dot. You can see your project now with a finished side panel.